David's ambitious project involves transforming his trusty Land Rover into an autonomous off-road crawler designed for extreme terrains. He delves into the complex electronics of integrating rugged sensors and AI-driven navigation, sharing how he overcame signal interference in remote wilderness areas. David tackles technical hurdles like re-engineering the steering and suspension systems to handle erratic terrains, inspired by his adventurous childhood spent exploring mountains. Unique additions like the self-adjusting tire pressure system showcase his innovative mindset, ensuring the vehicle adapts seamlessly to varying ground conditions. He recounts a harrowing test drive where he had to manually override the system, perfecting the AI's response time.